looking at my picture right there, looking at the screen right there, we are going to see a picture of Simon Ekpa and the Finnish Foreign Affairs Minister, who was endorsed by Nigerian politicians to repatriate Simon Ekpa, who was about a few days ago, right? You see, the woman there is the Foreign Affairs Minister of Finnish, who was by Nigerian government that Simon Ekpa should be repatriated to Nigeria. I'm going to tell you something, guys, and I wish I can speak very gentle. Sometimes I speak very high in volume. You feel me? I speak high in volume a lot of times. Sometimes after I no go fit watch my video myself because I dey shout too much. But I will see whether I go take style. The person wey una dey see so for the screen na Simon Ekpa and the Foreign Affairs Minister. You see, make I tell you now. Wait, I want to remove this. Yeah. See, let me tell you, sometimes Nigerian government they irritate me. Our Nigerian government they irritate me so much. If you think what Simon Ekpa is doing is wrong, then why are you supporting Palestinians? I want to make you know, Nigerian government support Palestinians, not be today. If you support Palestinians, that Palestinians deserve a freedom, then why are you saying Simon Ekpa don't know what he's doing? Do you understand me? I want to go by this. I think I want to see if I can read anything here. Maybe I don't come out and say, okay. The history, I want to read the history here. Nigeria recognized Palestinian statehood on 18 November since 1988. Nigeria has voted in favor of Palestinians, and under the United Nations in 2012. Nigeria voted in favor of Palestinians becoming non-member observers at the United Nations, member of NODESCO, but voted against full member of status of United Nations. As I speak to you guys right now, Nigeria support Palestine. If you support Palestine, why are you against Simon Ekpa? I mean, politics is kind of crazy. You guys, you know, politics is kind of crazy. Sometimes when you see, like, okay, you say Palestinian freedom is not negotiable, but what is Simon doing right now? Simon Ekpa is also fighting for freedom, and sometimes I go crazy to see some Nigerians when we say they go come they support. Oh, Solomon, I tell you, make you they calm down. Sometimes I don't know how to calm down, because a lot of things where I go to see, I go to accumulate those things for her. When I see them, I go just push and come out. I don't want to talk about it. Nigerian government wants to make Simon Ekpa, make they repatriate Simon Ekpa. And why you people are not even respecting your own people abroad? Do you think they don't see you? Nigerians are scattered all over the world. Nigerians are sinking inside Mediterranean Sea. Nigeria are imprisoned in Libya right now. Many Nigerians in Saudi Arabia, even as much as they are treating them bad in those countries, Nigerians are still there. Nigerians are scattered all over the world. If Nigeria is actually doing the right thing, I don't believe Simon Ekpa will be where he is today talking about this. And I plan him that country where he did, so that country really, Simon Ekpa have been building his profile for a long time. Make una when they talk say Simon Ekpa is there and in the cause problem for Nigeria. Yeah, he's a freedom fighter, he's an activist. That's what activists do. That's what a freedom fighter do. If Nigerian government is supporting the Palestinians for what they did to Israel, then what Simon Ekpa is doing to your government, what Simon Ekpa is doing to your soldiers is not negotiable. Some of you will go school for Nigerian self. I go consider what you read for school self. What he's doing is not be crime. I'm gonna tell you guys something. Listen, let me tell you something about freedom. Freedom is something where we say they know they give you for free. You need to fight. You go fight. If you go come out in here, it has been like that for a long time. Since when we've been nomadic, now so it be. They fight each other and win and conquer. That's what it is. Yorubas are not Igbo. Igbos are not Hausa. Fulani are not Hausa. We are different people, but we are Africans. You have your right to maintain your own community. You have right to maintain. Now waiting to shame me. The politicians are stealing money. Our politicians are stealing money down to Europe. They are seeing us. Nigerian government, when I just they take myself, they do yeah. I mean, like two days ago, you never reach 48 hours. So I'll put the video here again, the picture here again. I believe this woman, when I see where they meet, visited Nigeria for a diplomatic meeting or whatever. They told her, listen, we want Simon Ekpa back home. He said, okay, we are looking. He told them, okay, we are looking into it, no problem. They know what they're doing. You, Nigerian government, you don't respect your people. You don't have regard for humans. Those of you who think you are Nigerians, let me put this picture right here up here. Those of you where they think say Nigeria go better, you don't do anything. Make I tell you now, every Nigerian has given up, even though they are not speaking out. Every Nigerian don't give up. The one where see chance to, if the one where see chance to japa go japa. Let me tell you something. Those of us where they abroad, where we they fight, now we the paper, una just feel say everything go day okay, you no go day okay. Now we know say you no go day okay. Me and about 2 guys for today we they discuss inside motor as we they go work. Both are Nigerians. One Igbo, one Yoruba. The Igbo man come to tell me say, Baba, me I don't tire of this world self. I know enjoy my life. I've been South Africa for 26 years. I can't come Israel again. My children don't grow finish. My children go, they ask me, hey, Papa, why you never come back? You say, my friend, I don't tire, I won't go. But that fear of the unknown, I said, I won't go anything where I see make at the chop. This is not life. And true, not be life. Now the same thing where they disturb me, where I talk to people where they get close to me. Sometimes I tell you now here, say I call the children, say I beg them, say, relax, give me some time. You born Pekin now, or another people now they help you train the Pekin. Some of us where they abroad, our children don't turn to Agbero. Not be said those children are, you know, the children now person where you see now where they follow now. Typically, many people when they watch my video, they know what at the time. They heard that you leave children home, you they fear to go back home. Some people say when we say they get paper to go home, they are afraid to go back home, even sit at that home because of insecurity. I was on Twitter yesterday. I heard somebody who says to Simon Ekpa, why don't you come back home? You come back home to do. No. I've said this many times. A freedom fighter is not at home. No freedom fighter goes home. No freedom fighter goes home. Sometimes freedom fighters go sneak. A good freedom fighter, when we say now in the lead, now in get the sense, you go there far away. They look for money. They buy ammunition just like Nelson Mandela does. Nelson Mandela, that's what he did. They train for Angola. They train for different African countries. Nelson Mandela was in Nigeria collecting money. The same Nigeria who is not supporting Biafran freedom in 1967. They are giving Nelson Mandela money to go and fight for freedom. Nigeria is giving Palestinian money to go and fight for freedom. But Simon Ekpa is fighting for freedom. But you are saying that they should repatriate him, but it's not a crime. There's no crime. I said it before. I don't stand to be corrected. I know the Treaty of United Nations. If Nigerians think we are living in a world, we are all living in a world of bubble right now. From Nigeria to Finland does not take anything. From Nigeria to United Nations headquarters, it doesn't take anything. Right, United Nations. That these people were there for social media and Simon Ekpa where they want freedom. Are they committing crime? We want them in United Nations court, the world court. I don't tell you now before. If Simon have the power to collect the whole Nigeria and make it Biafra, it will be recognized. That's what it is. Under United Nations Treaty. If you not declare on yourself enemy, I'll give you an example of what is happening now. No, don't let me use Israel and whatever. You see, this is what it is. There's no freedom that comes easy. You have to fight for it. There's no doubt we are suffering. There's no doubt as una dey so for Nigeria. Many of una don't know the problem with the Tinubu and his family. Now then they refine the fuel where all of una they use. The reason why they don't want to give Dangote crude oil to refine is because they are making money. The money they cannot stop. Even though the money they are making is enough and overflowing, they will never stop. You will continue to suffer. The dollar will be going up. As the dollar they go up now, so they sweep them too. They are packing your money and they sweet them. Buhari served you for 8 years. I was still here talking about that Buhari, even the next president that is going to come. I don't know how Nigerian government said they mumu. You are telling Finnish government to repatriate their sniper. Yeah, I want to tell you. You want Finnish government to repatriate their sniper. You want Finnish government to repatriate their politician. A serving politician who is a community, serving the community. You're asking the federal government of you're asking the Finnish government to bring their citizen. You are asking Finnish government to bring their husband. Number 5, you're asking Finnish government to bring their lawyer, a registered firm who is paying his diligent tax to the government. That what he's doing. You know, they just look. They take Nigeria and they do ya. Nigeria now they take us do ya. Sometimes make una they keep quiet. Just keep quiet and be looking. All these countries, they know Nigerian in total. They know all of us in total. They know everything about you and I. They know everything. They know about the corruption. They know everything. They know that our government does not respect us. If you think Nigeria respects you, make you commit, do something and make they put you for. Do you know how many Nigerians are in prison right now? A lot of Nigerians are in prison, not because they commit crime. And Nigerian consular general, Nigerian embassy in that country will not interfere unless organization come in. Ask me in this country, the embassy of Nigeria, may they come here, come tell me how many people they don't visit for, how many Nigerians they don't visit for Israel prison. Yes, they have Nigerians in Israel prison. How many of them don't go visit them? None. None. Rather, we go ask them to punish them. Punish them, na so they be, na so they be. Na so they be. Simon Ekpa, you see that guy in a different person of you. You cannot forget to. I know say hundreds and thousands of Nigerians don't know how to go to Twitter. They don't know how to get information. They don't have data. Say, not the person who chop belly food now go get data. I mean, not the person who chop belly food go get better food. For God, now they suffer for Nigeria, all of us they suffer. Some people now they don't even get data. I get this, my laptop they on. You see my laptop they on. Now data they use. Look at my back, my TV they on. Now data they use. See ya. Yes, my other phone now data be this. One time, if you put them, the data not the waste time. If you don't know what thing with the suffer for that country. See I go to YouTube now. Press them. Now one time you go open. Few seconds you don't open. You see the data they flow. It will flow like water. Not be saying are free. You pay for it now 1 month. Both phone where they use now 1 month. This one where they here now I connect to laptop connect. Now so I go use for phone. I go use for this laptop for complete 1 month. If I like I go bring out the other laptop. Come connect them. They give you heavy data. Once you pay for 1 month, you go make call. You go send SMS. And you go get digital data. Everything now flop for that country. Listen, if now make I tell you now something. What thing they vex me be say? I don't tell you now true before. I'm a freedom fighter. I want Biafra. I don't want anybody to buy. In as much as the soldiers are going down in Southeast, the soldiers are going down for real. And in a million years, with the system of fights where Simon Ekpa the fight with Biafran soldiers, trust me, Nigerian government no will win them. You know possible. You know possible. You they come meet me from my house. We are not fit to understand what this guy they pass through now, and make una know what the government soldiers they pass through. They can't. It's impossible. Give a listening ear to the people. Give referendum. If person mess for Lagos, na Igbo man. If person mess for Abuja, na Igbo man. If person mess for Port Harcourt, na Igbo. If you see person where go thief, if na Yoruba go thief, they go say na Igbo man send them. Igbo man self don't come become tissue paper in that country. I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. If I say social media are not there, you go see people where we say they go they open their mouth, they talk anything. And when you look at it, Igbo man has contributed more than a Yoruba man in that contraction. And I'm going to tell you why. Every Igbo man is a businessman. Show me how many Yoruba they do importation. Show me how many Hausa they do importation. How many tax? What are the tax they are paying? Show me what will be their taxation. Now then they carry what? So, now then they carry goods enter sea. Now then they carry goods come back. Now then they go China. Now then they pay the tax. But still, Igbo man know they're useful. If you don't like people, let them go. It's normal that you don't like. If you don't like somebody, it doesn't matter. If you don't like somebody, it's normal. It's normal for you. It's normal for you not to like somebody. It's normal. Even the animals in the jungle. The animal in the jungle, they don't like each other. Everybody comes from different autonomous. In the jungle, the animals different autonomous. If una sit down, well, we will not be politician, make una sit down, because our politicians know the truth. Yoruba are people, Igbos are people, but we are managing each other. It's not gonna work. The Yorubas, their family, now so that's a way don't they for a long time. That's come away there, Igbo not be Yoruba, Yoruba not be Igbo. I understood that. The same thing goes in Southeast. We are just managing each other. A child whose father does not like you, his son or daughter will do the same. The stigma has been there that we don't like each other. The contraction 1914. Now the first was make we date together. We don't like each other. Now Igbo, if you see, if aeroplane fall from sky, now Igbo. If person mess for airport, now Igbo. It kind of some. I'm proud to be an Igbo man. I'm telling you, I'm proud to be an Igbo man. Do you understand me? If you come to think about it, it's just the stigma that they don't put for Igbo people. When they talk about Igbo drug, Yoruba they do drug, but coded. Yoruba they do drug. When I was in South Africa, yes, they do it. Many of them they do it. But I'm going to tell you something. Igbo people, they are not the worst drug peddlers in the world. Here's something where I learned for South Africa. But till today, South African people eyes never open reach there. I was on the street in South Africa. People where they sell substance for street now, Tanzania. But that stigma don't there for Niger people. And I will tell you why. The reason why the stigma there for Niger people abroad. And Igbo people cause them. They like to spend money. They like to look good. They like to take care of themselves. And they like to. I don't know what they do. They go buy cars. Algeria they do substance for South Africa. Somalia they do substance for South Africa. Tanzania they do substance. Now those people be big time paddlers in South Africa. There's no question about that because I was there. The reason why Nigerians are being stigma is because you where they do that thing, you no get job to cover up. You they buy nice car, you no get shop. Now you go wear better clothes. Now you go snatch somebody's wife. Now you go they carry women up and down. And even China get factory where they build, but inside they produce. Now them they produce some inside South Africa. Nigerians were in 99% of Nigerians are just boy. Person where they for street they sell, they make money. They are not. They are just making. But at that time when you don't make small money, go buy better motor. Come they drive and you don't get shop. Somalia they get motor. Algeria they get motor. I mean they get shop. I'm talking about shop now. Algeria go get shop. Somalia they get shop. What's it called? China they get shop. Nigeria you know get shop. Now you make Nigeria we can't stain ourselves abroad like that. For this country where they talk say some Nigerian they talk, I don't talk and hear some Nigerian people. I'm gonna forget about it though. Raw people where their country start with raw and K from the other side. What thing did they do here? Bro, forget about it. I know what I'm talking about, bro. You don't hear their name say that they tool? No, you won't hear it anywhere. I'm telling you. You don't go here and say raw and K. No, who K? These people where they fight for this thing. Two of them where they fight for this country. Now them be the Baba. What did they call Sudan they follow them, they sell. You know go here and say Sudan they do that kind of thing. Sudan they follow them, they do. I they see for eyes, bro. I they see for eyes. Now I be street person. When you they pass, you know what thing they happen. But you never hear their name anywhere. The Tanzania where they for South Africa, they wear like mad person. The way that people where they take the substance they wear, and I saw that they wear. They know they put eyes on Tanzania at all. Me Jomba VP. Now some of you hear from them, Jomba. The way that people where they sell substance for dress, now so they be as they smell, now so they smell, but cash day. You know go see them with motor, you know go see them for club. Anyway, I just say make I tell you another one. Now una make those okay, make una ask yourself. I want to say this. Why ask yourself why Igbo people they do substance? Now the condition where una put us now. You sideline on at everything. 1967 war now una start them. Una say now Juku start them. After una collect every property where Igbo people get. Collect all their money for bank. Then come they give them toro. You put them where they are today. They said we want to leave Nigeria. Anyway, make I leave the thing, make we do like this. I'm just here to tell you that Nigerian government, they stupid. Nigerian government will not be mumu. See the person will come to Nigeria. When I see him for the picture, let me enlarge the picture. Let me enlarge it. Maybe some of you now him they come to tell her, please repatriate Simon Ekpa. He said, Nigerian government, I've never could have done the mumu. You know, as much as you support Palestinian, bro. Simon Ekpa, you're doing the right thing, bro. Yeah, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the soldiers. Me, I go use my platform. They create awareness, say I need freedom. Now only coward they fear. Oh, that remind me. Nigerian government itself go they create. They want to create law. We go plenty for prison. Oh. We go plenty for prison for that country. I'm telling you guys. Nigerian government they create law where we say anybody where they agitate must go to prison of 10. How many years they tell us? Say not 10 years. If you not like, maybe you not create 100 years. We will not stop, and people will not stop. When I don't kill us. For Biafra land, still we not stop, and we are not gonna stop. One day we're gonna get. It's not. There's no negotiation. There's no negotiation. It will come. If we sit down together like this, think deeply. Make we forget. You see now because they are corrupt. If they are not corrupt, they could. You sit down. Don't listen to this European colonial masters. Now their children now still they colonize us now. Their papa don't go. Now so them they stand. They colonize. I mean this enslavement. It has to stop. It's like Peking. It's normal, just like a Peking where grow up and papa say, Papa, I beg, open shop for me. I won't go start my own. There's nothing wrong. But if you want to take it fight, the guy don't prepare to fight now. You don't get guns. Oh yeah, make una go fight him. You don't talk and say December 2, they declare Biafra. And anytime soon, when I go close all una shop, I mean all the government office for Biafra land. You don't talk and watch them, they appreciate them. As I did here, so if I watch their program, I go appreciate them. Anytime where I see something where they pay me, I go come talk about them. Yeah, I support freedom now. Them they are having a nice life. We are not having a nice life. Not be everybody they get nice life now. Do you think if they tell me if I come back to life again, make I can't live this kind of life where I live? No, I will not accept it. I don't like this kind of life that I live. Thousands of us, we left our families. Your mama don't die, you know, see her. Your papa don't die, you send money, make the burial. Now money be everything. But because that fear of the unknown is not even letting us go. Some people don't go back, they beg us for money. Some people don't go back home, they beg us for money. After 12 months, wahala don't come. Some go sick, now here we go there, they beg us money. Now person where they here, they work well, they say, nobody say they do bad to go back home. But it is just what it is. They want to go back home and see families. Some don't leave woman, the woman don't turn to another person's wife. Before you know, your wife go don't born self, they don't born for another person. Children no even sabi their papa. If you see them, no go sabi and say, "No, my papa be this, who be this?" Now your papa, where you they talk to for phone? Papa, how now? You gotta look at him like this. 20 years he was not there. That's not how to groom a child. Some as we they talk now, some children not be about money. Sometimes we they talk say the money go do everything. Some depending on the environment where those children are grown up. If they grow up for bad environment, they will get influence. All this thing is affecting a lot of us. I make video the other day. I say many people wait there for Israel no get 30 million for account. Now 30 million I just they talk. 30 million they too much. You know problem where they carry for head? Too many problem. Problem they too much. This family, this one. Make I not talk those one. Baba, a lot of people will they talk. Say I want to go back. I don't get cover for pocket. They where would they go to? They say I don't get money to go back. I won't go back home. I don't get money. He want to build house. He poor. He want to take care of his age mother. He want to take age of papa. In papa, mama don't die or whosoever die, they bury. Children where they go to school now. So me as I did so family. Nobody say I get my sisters. Oh God, nobody, my sister don't trouble me. But there are needs. Sometimes in the family, go see person where we say, you know, they ask you for anything. You go need to say in need. Some when marry, husband don't leave them and children. And those people are going to tie you down as you they make the money. You want to help them. You can't eat the money alone. I mean, how? Are you going to cook money? Even the money is not even enough with your children. Talk less of extended. You give this one, give this one. You get one of my friends where they call me, and he go to watch me right now. I beg, help me to pay my picking school fees and this and that. And they look at him. Yes, I go help you, but I never get now. Me too, I get my own problem where I face. I understand I have to help you. The school fees not be anything now. But as he not be anything, he has to wait. He don't come here and no pick up. But I know the time where I feel help her. If he don't pay the school fees, but I will still help in my own way. But I'm not gonna kill myself. This is not life. At least if the government they meet us halfway, try to build the country. We need good amenities. We need good road. We need good hospital. There's a whole lot of things. We are backward. We are 50 years backward. Civilization don't they close. I mean they don't go far. I say I'm not gonna do this video long. So I have to go, bro. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Somebody's asking for my number, please. My number is on that. Just go to my profile. You're gonna see WhatsApp me only. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Simon Ekpa. Bless you, brother. We are praying for you all the time. Now your type now in need. Now your type go they need. Me I no fit get my way you get to. Yes, I no fit because when I watch your this thing, sometimes people will abuse you. You go carry the video come put. Me I no go fit. I know the fit watch am. Because I adore you so much that I'm hustling to. I want to get that freedom. I don't want my children to be in this problem where I did. My children go come wash plate for Israel. They go won't go Europe. This is not life now. We all don't have to be rich. If we live in a country where we say everything is necessity, house is necessity, government go to meet us halfway. In Israel here, government they meet people halfway. If you're sick, you don't get insurance. That one don't mean say they go abandon you. Emergency go come, they go still carry you go. They go treat you. They go ask you, okay, if you start work, come pay. Do you have that kind of courtesy? You don't have. You don't have. We want a country where we say the minimum wage. Person when no go school at all. You no go thief. If you go to work, money where they collect a salary. If you want to buy second-hand motor, you no go take more than 3-4 months. You go buy because motor na necessity, not be property. What in my eye don't see when I go South Africa, bro. Person where they sell apple, they buy motor. Like they buy, you don't buy like 3 motor. It's a necessity because of the economy. It's reliable. It's reliable. The economy is reliable. In this country, the zero level in this country. Know how zero level they earn $2,000. You no go take if you live alone, you no go take $1,000 pay house rent finish. Let's say $2,000. You carry $1,000 pay house rent. You remain $1,000. You go enter motor 50 shekel. That one not even reach less like $50. You go enter motor. How much money remain? Money remain $950. If you want to take care of your children, when a person will get 1 or 2 children, okay, let's say person where they live alone, because this is zero level work. Food where you go buy put for house no go pass 300 shekel. Only him. The rest of the money you go keep him. If na person where they enjoy goes party, you no go finish that money unless in high day up. That's minimum wage for you. If you get motor, fuel where you go buy put for the motor, I don't think so you go pay. You go buy motor. You go buy fuel of $200 finish full tank. Thank you very much. I'm going. If me are the talker, if Nigerian government knows say waiting with they do, where they agitate, where we they create awareness. Plus Simon Ekpa where they on ground with his soldiers. If you know say what we they do, they bad, not be for social media. United Nations get branch for Israel. Tell United Nations that there's a guy called Travels Vlog. We want him arrested. We want him to face the law that is agitating. Take all of us where they agitate all over the world. Take us to United Nations court. And they talk and not be saying we come they shout. Finland, the patriotam, those people they cause problem. If we not say we they find people, make una come carry us go court of law in the world. If Nigerian government can support Palestinian, then why are you crying over Simon Ekpa? That's my point. That's my point, bro. If you are supporting Palestinian for what they did in October 7, wow, man. Then Simon Ekpa never do half now. Simon never do half. When I get money, make una support, make they buy plane. They want to buy war plane. I want freedom. I don't want my children to go through all this torment. I can't look my children in the eyes and tell them I love you. I can't look them, I shout. Those children are traumatized. My children are traumatized. I'm not there. Many people are facing the same thing. We are rejected all over the world. How many people get paper all over the world? Thousands of us no get paper. Millions no get paper. Before you go out, that's all your mind, people mind go to shake. Oh, you are go there, immigration there, immigration there. Now the time where that person go reach out, now in their mind they there. Just because you are not a criminal. What kind of world are we? American will come this country, not be like that, they treat them now. People where they come from Europe, they know they give them refugees now. African has become a self-enslaved people. Voluntary slaves. Voluntary slaves. That's what we are. Right now. Whether you like it or not. What thing I don't go fit do for my country now, I can't do here. We sweep here. Oh yeah, they go there. Take this thing. That's all they go call you. And I'm doing it happily because I'm being paid to take care of my kid, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that, but I don't want my kid to go through all this torment. Meet us halfway. We have the money. Build the infrastructure. Change. The money is coming. This money is being printed by humans. Don't put us in this trap. Meet us halfway. Is it a rocket science the way where America be, the way where England be and Europe? Is it a rocket science? It's just for you to go back to the drawing board. Take all your constitution, bring it down, sit down and think. Everything is not about being a millionaire. Look at the millionaires on social media. Look at Elon Musk. How many times Elon Musk is wearing tie? How many times Mark Zuckerberg is wearing tie? They are all wearing short knicker 24 hours. Now own a private jet, carry money, go England, carry your children. That's the life you want to live. And at the end of the day, when you are gone, your children is still going to come back to square one. Look at MK Abiola. MK Abiola have newspaper. He has a printer. He have houses. He have airline. All the business is gone. Say, oh my children, I'm creating a billionaire. Can your children really maintain that money without? If you know the thing where they pay me, say if they take the money and bring it to Africa, as the money be for Africa, create industry, use the money to develop. I'm not gonna support anybody where they agitate now. Say, it's okay. At least they meet us halfway. But now, I'm gonna support the fighters to the end. Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you so much, and don't forget to like the video, share it. This our brother just nailed it. You know, I don't want to interrupt him. Everything he said here is very, very educative, and please make sure you share it and like it. Credit to him. He have done a very good job in this video, and like I always do, this our brother Solomon. My greetings to you. You tried, and I appreciate your hard work. You are very, very truthful in all you have said. Everything you said here is 100%. Please, guys, don't forget to like the video, comment, and tell us what you think about what this brother said here. The explanation is top notch. I really appreciate that. Okay, see you again on the next one, and bye bye for now.